Lesson C, Model 1. Speaking. Talk in pairs. In this exercise, you are going to let students talk in pairs. Student A, imagine that you have a problem. Tell student B how you feel and ask her for advice. Use some of the eyes in the box. Can't sleep at night, suffer from stress, feel tired all the time. So you have a problem that you can say, I am tired, I am suffer from stress, I can't sleep well, I feel tired all the time. A student B, listen to student A's problem and give him or her advice. You shouldn't and had better not and some of the eyes in the box. So student B are going to use should or shouldn't, had better not, to give the solution to the problem for students A. So you can use these ideas. Do physical activity, drink warm milk, take deep breaths, work less, see a doctor, go on holiday, take vitamins, medication. Look at the example. I feel terrible. Why? What's wrong? Well, I think you shouldn't. So we are going to ask two students to make an example in front of the class. Exercise number 6. Writing. Post on a forum. A. Discuss. Do you read or participate in forums? Have you ever posted on a forum to ask for advice? Would you like to? Do you think you can get good advice through a forum? Here you let students to discuss these questions in groups or in pairs, and then listen to their ideas or opinions about these questions. B.
6. Writing.
Dr. Salman's Corner. Dr.
Here, exercise B. The post on the right was posted on a forum by someone who wanted advice. Read the post and the reply to it, then answer the question below. What is Ali's problem? What does Dr. Salman advise Ali to do? After you read the text or listen to this text, you are going to answer this question.
Salman, I need your advice because I feel helpless and don't know what to do. Last week I had to give a presentation at university with a fellow student. As we walked to the front of the lecture theatre, I could feel my heart beating fast and I was sweating. When it was time for me to talk, I just stood there looking at everyone. I couldn't remember what to say. Fortunately, my fellow student gave the presentation for me. But who will save me next time? What should I do? Anxiously waiting for your reply.
Then we are going to read Dr. Salman's advice.
Dear Ali, many people are afraid of public speaking. You're not the only one, so don't worry. Here are some tips to help you deal with your problem. First of all, you should practice giving your presentation in front of a mirror until you feel confident. This way, you'll have less stress. There are also certain things you can do right before and during your presentation. Before starting, you should do some kind of physical activity to help reduce your anxiety. Taking a walk is a good idea. Also, while you're giving your presentation, choose a few friendly faces from the audience and focus on them. And don't forget to take deep breaths to feel calm. If all this doesn't work, I advise you to take a training course in public speaking. It will help you get over your fear.
Now we are going to answer these questions. What is Ali's problem? What is Ali's problem? He's afraid of public speaking. He's afraid of public speaking. What does Dr. Salman advise Ali to do? He should practice giving his presentation in front of a mirror until he feels confident. Before his presentation, he should do some kind of physical activity. Example, take a walk. To help reduce his anxiety during his presentation, he should choose a few friendly faces from the audience and focus on them. He should also take deep breaths to feel calm. If all this doesn't work, he should take a training course in public speaking. C. Read the sentence below. What is the writer doing? Write A for asking for advice, G for giving advice in the box. 1. Everything will be just fine. G. I think you'd better talk to your parents. What do you suggest? Let me know what you think. Another thing you can do is to talk to your friend. I hope you can help me out. Thanks.